Have you ever spent so much money buying pig feed, but your pigs are still not growing fast? Or maybe your pigs eat a lot, but you're not seeing real profit? What if I show you how to make your own pig feed at home, using just maize, wheat bran, and soybean, and still get fast growth, strong pigs, and more profit? Stay with me, because this simple formula can change your farm forever. Today, I will teach you step by step how to make balanced pig feed using maize, wheat bran, soybean. These are easy to find in Ghana and Africa, and when you mix them the right way, your pigs will grow faster, stay healthy, eat well, and give you better profit. Let's get into it. Section 1. Why these 3 ingredients? Before we mix anything, you need to understand why we use these 3 ingredients. 1. Maize, corn. Maize gives energy to pigs. Think of maize like fuel in a car. Without it, your pigs will be weak and grow slowly. 2. Wheat bran. Wheat bran helps with digestion. It also makes the feed cheaper and helps pigs avoid constipation. 3. Soybean. Soybean is very important because it gives protein. Protein helps pigs build muscles, gain weight faster. Grow strong. Without enough protein, your pigs will eat, but not grow well. So when you combine these 3, you get energy plus digestion plus protein equals fast growth. Section 2. Simple feed formula. Now let's talk about the correct mixing ratio. For a simple and effective pig feed, use 50% maize, 30% wheat bran, 20% soybean. Example, 100 kilograms feed, 50 kilograms maize, 30 kilograms wheat bran, 20 kilograms soybean. This is a balanced feed for growing pigs. Very important. Soybean must be properly roasted or processed. Raw soybean can harm pigs. Section 3. How to prepare each ingredient. Let's prepare the ingredients the right way. Maize. Preparation. Dry the maize well. Grind it into fine particles. Not too powdery, not too rough. Wheat bran, usually already processed. Just make sure it is clean and not moldy. Soybean. Preparation. This is very important. Do not use raw soybean. Steps. Roast the soybean, light roasting. Let it cool, grind it. This removes harmful substances and makes it safe for pigs. If you skip this step, your pigs may stop growing, become sick. Section 4. Step-by-step mixing process. Now let's mix everything. Step 1. Get a clean floor or mixing container. Step 2. Pour maize first. Step 3. Add wheat bran. Step 4. Add soybean. Step 5. Mix very well. Mix at least 3 to 5 times until everything is evenly spread. You can use shovel, hands with gloves, feed mixer if available. Step 6. Store in a dry place. Section 5. Storage tips. If you don't store your feed well, you will lose money. Always. Keep feed in a dry place. Use bags or containers. Raise feed off the ground. Avoid water and moisture. Avoid moldy feed, bad smell, insects. Bad feed can kill your pigs or slow growth. Section 6. How to feed your pigs. Now that your feed is ready, how do you use it? Feeding guide. Small pigs, 2 to 3 months. Feed 2 times a day, small quantity. Growing pigs, 3 to 5 months. Feed 2 to 3 times daily. Increase gradually. Big pigs, feed more, depending on size. Always give clean water, fresh feed. Section 7. How this saves you money. Let's be honest. Buying commercial feed is expensive. When you make your own feed, you reduce cost, you control quality, you increase profit. Farmers who mix their own feed can save 30 to 50% cost. That means more money in your pocket. Section 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these mistakes. Using raw soybean, poor mixing, wet or moldy ingredients, wrong ratios, overfeeding or underfeeding. One mistake can slow your pig growth. Section 9. Extra tips for faster growth. If you want even faster results, add vitamins, optional. Keep pig house clean. Provide clean water always. Deworm your pigs. Avoid overcrowding. Healthy pigs grow faster. Simple. Now you know how to make your own pig feed using maize, wheat bran, soybean. Simple, affordable, and powerful. If you apply this method correctly, you will see faster growth, healthier pigs, more profit. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with other farmers, because smart farming makes smart money. Comment below if you want more pig feed formulas or ask your question. I reply to all comments.